Tank hot water heaters may be a fourth of the cost of tankless hot water heaters, but they definitely have some quirks. To start, parts often rust from the inside out, giving you a sort of ticking time bomb if it's not maintained correctly. But my personal and bigger issue with tank hot water heaters is they aren't quite as efficient. Think about it. Instead of giving you hot water as you need it, it heats up 60 or so gallons of water to 120 degrees. As the water cools, the heater turns back on, and on, and on, as it heats it back up throughout the day. But did you know you can save up to 17% on your energy bills by wrapping your tank? It's naturally called a blanket, and it insulates the tank to make it more efficient. So if you're not going to splurge for the tankless hot water heater, at least make your tank as efficient as it can be. Just a thought. And obviously, if you see rust dripping down the outside of the tank or it's leaking in general, it's time to call a pro. I've been amazed to see some hot water heaters last 20 plus years and others barely 5. So the rule of thumb is take good care of it and it will take good care of you. See you on the next video where we tackle testing that old security system. See you then.